Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Before I get started, I would say that this is a very tricky perspective, very tricky analysis to do from my perspective, being the presenter, because there's a whole lot of points of views that go into this. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, who knows, maybe you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks really, really bad. Now, if you care about the big picture point of view, then sure, I get it. From those highs, there's been a big pullback. But from the grand scheme of it all, the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher low. And as long as higher lows are being built over extended periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. And I'm going to be doing things from a big picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader or flipper type mentality going into all this. Because yeah, as of now, from the big picture point of view, the chart is still perfectly bullish. And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to help illustrate this, let's say that the price actually comes all the way down here to 0055. Again, not saying it'll happen, but just for example's sake. So price comes down here to 0055, behaves in that manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have emphasis here on big picture? Well, from the big picture, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there. You'd have those lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. And if you envision each of these as stair steps, what do you have from the big picture point of view? You very clearly have stair steps still making great progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, that progress point down there at 0055. Again, I'm well aware if you're a flipper or day trader and you bought there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting on things from a bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in one day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.